Hey there, welcome to Tech Bytes. Today, we are tackling Aadhaar-related scams. Yes, Aadhaar makes life easier, but it also attracts scammers like mosquitoes to a picnic. Let's show you how to dodge those scams and keep your Aadhaar safe. Trust us, it's easier than finding matching socks on laundry day. Here's rule number 1. Never, ever, under any circumstances, share your OTP. Not with a caller pretending to be an officer, not with an email that says urgent, and certainly not with that friend who never returns your borrowed stuff. Scammers often trick people by claiming they're from Aadhaar services. If they ask for your OTP, hang up faster than you bail on a boring Zoom call. Scammers love setting up fake websites that look almost like the original, just with some sneaky changes. If you spot an extra Y in the URL or strange fonts that look straight out of the 90s, run. Always type the URL directly or use the official UIDAI website. If you accidentally land on a scam site, it's like biting into a chocolate chip cookie only to realize it's oatmeal raisin. Disappointing and dangerous. Here's a pro tip. Lock your Aadhaar online when you're not using it. Think of it like locking your refrigerator at night. No sneaky midnight snacks. If someone tries to use your locked Aadhaar, it's game over for them. You might get texts saying your Aadhaar needs urgent verification. Spoiler: they don't. If the message comes with a suspicious link, avoid it like you avoid your ex's DMs. Official Aadhaar communications never ask for personal details or direct you to random links. Always visit the UIDAI website directly if you have doubts. The official Aadhaar app is your best friend when it comes to Aadhaar management. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your Aadhaar. Lock, unlock, and even check status on the go. Plus, it's much safer than those shady websites. Ever wonder if someone else is using your Aadhaar? Check your usage history regularly through the UIDAI portal. If you see something fishy, report it immediately. Think of it like checking your credit card bill. You might find something unexpected, like that expensive cheese you don't remember ordering. If you fall victim to a scam, don't panic, just report it right away. Use platforms like cybercrime.gov.in to file a complaint. And remember, it's okay to get scammed once in a while as long as you learn from it, just like trying pineapple on pizza. Once. Aadhaar scams are real, but with a little caution, you can keep your details safe. Follow these tips and you'll be scam-proof in no time, like a Wi-Fi network with an unguessable password. If you've ever encountered an Aadhaar scam, share your story in the comments. Your experience could help others. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Bytes for more tech advice, minus the boring stuff. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and stay safe.